Are not all angels ministering spirits sent to those who inherit salvation? So, if we can see our world today is getting worse or evil everywhere. So people kill you without any reason. You can hear news being beheaded, being killed without any reason. They fire you a gun, they stab you a knife, and there are many calamities and wars everywhere. And also, you can see also the dogs are man's friend, but in this present time I can see on news that dogs attack people and kill them. And so dogs also are meant to kill people, and that is because of the evil spirits around the world. So speaking of the dogs, so when I was just a little boy, we were living in the island of Hilutungan in my father's side. And we visited Talisay, Cebu, the place of my mother's side where my grandma is there. We visit our grandma, my mother's mother. So there was a dog there, a wild dog, a black color dog. So I tried to feed that dog a piece of bread, but he also bit my hand. So my hand was wounded. And I just remember that they just clean it and put a garlic. And last 2021 or 22, that was still a COVID time. So when I took a vacation in Talisay, Cebu, in my mother's house, so while I was washing in my clothes near in the pump or in the water pump, so there was a cage of dogs there. Two dogs were put on the cage near the water pump. And my brother came to me. My brother who took care to those dogs came to me and said, "Why are these dogs not barking you?" So I answered, "Why? I don't know. Is this dog barking people?" And he said, that time also, my brothers who was next to me, who were living also in Mindanao, took a vacation to my mother's house with his little boy. And that little boy or my nephew, if he go near to the dog's cage, the dog were getting wild and bark him, and very noisy. So one day I really saw it in my own eyes that the dogs were getting wild, to see if this little boy or my nephew go beside the cage, near the cage. So I just remember last 2013 when I was here in Saudi and we were just living in the company's camp. So every Friday, uh, if there is no work, sometimes we decided to cook a food or a vegetable food, not in the camp. So food served not in the camp. So we cook. Uh, so so there was a bakala or a store, vegetable store there. So we go at the back door of the camp and we climbed there in the pinch and going, because that was the shortcut going to the vegetable market. But that area was a remote area and there are only few people, but you can see many dogs around there. And the dogs here in Saudi is different because they are not being took care by people, so they just go around on the streets or anywhere. So where there were a little people, so there were many dogs. So that time, when we had finished buying, I just can't remember why I was left alone. So when I decided to come back to the camp, so in a distance I saw many dogs on the road, a road where I'm going to pass, going to the back door of the camp. So and those dogs were fighting with each other. So they are very noisy. So I was afraid to pass because maybe they might bite me or what. So I just wait when they calm and go. So that's the time that I will pass. But the dark is getting over, so I have no choice rather than to go or pass that road. So I said to myself, Lord, help me. So I just walk and pass in the middle of those dogs. I hear them. They are very noisy because they were fighting. But I just keep on walking, and when I pass them and reach the back door of the camp, I look around and I look at them, and said to myself, why are those dogs? It seems that they do not see me passing. So just I realized that the angels God has sent to people who inherit salvation will protect you from evil people, all evils and calamities, accidents, and also wild animals. So that is why it is very important to know the message of God and obey it, for that is a sign that you know God, and knowing God is eternal life.